YouTube allows you to hide your subscribers. Want to learn how to do it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address. Enter here YouTube Studio. This will take you to the official website of YouTube. Make sure to get into desktop side just like me. For that, you can tap on the three dotted vertical lines on the top right corner, and then you can tap on desktop side below at the home screen. So you are currently into a desktop site. Now zoom in and tap on this YouTube Studio. On the top, you can see that I am currently into YouTube Studio of my own channel, which look just like this. On the bottom left corner below, you can see a gear-like icon. Zoom in and tap on this gear-like icon. Tap on Channel below General. Slide it from right to left and tap on Advanced Settings. Scroll down. Here, you can see an option of subscriber count. You need to tap on this square box in front of display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Tap on it. As you finish tapping on it, now you can slide it from right to left once again. On the bottom right corner, you can see an option of Save. Tap on Save. You can see that the settings has been saved. Your subscriber count will be successfully hidden, and no any people on YouTube will be able to find out the count of your subscribers on YouTube. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.